Well, I guess I can be grateful she's not a Melda Marcos. G'day all, welcome back to Built by Chris. In this episode I'll show you how I make this. It's a shoe rack. Customer wanted a shoe rack for their walk-in robe, the one that I've been slowly building over the last couple of weeks. You saw how I did the edge banding, you saw how I put the drawers and everything together. This is the one where I show you how I did this shoe rack. If you want to see how easy it was, follow me. Okay, the setup I've got here, I've already put two shelves in for the shoe rack, and then I thought, you know what, I forgot to turn the cameras on. So here's the next part of it. So I've already got these two screwed in. I've got my two jigs set up on here. As you can see, there's a piece that goes down this way, which gives me the correct angle, which is 30 degrees in this case. I've got it clamped in. I've got the jig on the other side set up. It's already clamped in. All I've got to do now is put the screws in. Now, it's not the most comfortable way of doing things. I've got everything up a little bit high. So now the jig references the previous shelf. Put it on the right side. So there's the hooks over this one that I've just screwed in. And I'll just clamp that down. Grab the other one. And again, this one comes down over this one here. And it tells me exactly where the next shelf has got to go. So I grab my shelf and bring it in. All I've got to do now is just get the clamp on it so I can clamp it down so it doesn't move. Just lifted it up so it engages my stop blocks that I've got built into it. And I'll clamp that down. So there we have it. Now all I've got to do now is just put the screws in for this one and keep working my way down. So I've got my two jigs clamped on. It's referencing this shelf that I've already put on. I've already slid, this one's not screwed down yet, it's already slid in and it stops exactly where I want it to stop. So all I do now is put a couple of clamps on just to squeeze it all tight together so I know when I drive the screws in, it's not going to slip and slide on me. So there's the first clamp. And there's the second one. So everything's clamped in. This is not moving now. It's nice and tight. It's referencing against all the stops in there. All I've got to do now is just drive some screws in. and off come the clamps. So now again, this comes off, references on this one. Put the clamp on so that it holds it in place. Grab another shelf. Slides into where I want it to go. Clamp it all up, screw it all down, easy peasy. Let me finish this off and I'll get back to you. So there it is, one shoe rack. Fairly simple build in the end, with all the jigs and everything, makes it fairly simple, but you know, it's time consuming still. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out, and it looks, I reckon it turned out pretty well. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. Pass the video on to all your friends. Let them know what I've been up to. And I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now.